Picture this: turquoise waters, swaying palm trees, and the infectious rhythm of reggae music. This is the Jamaica that often graces postcards and travel brochures. But what lies beneath the surface? What stories remain untold, hidden from the casual observer? Join us as we journey beyond the familiar, delving into the heart of Jamaica's hidden Afro-cultural gems. Often, the narrative of Jamaica focuses on its sun-kissed beaches and laid-back vibes, neglecting the profound influence of its African roots. From the pulsating rhythms of its music to the intricate steps of its dances, Jamaica's Afro-cultural contributions are woven into the very fabric of the island's identity. Yet, despite their undeniable impact, these contributions often remain hidden in plain sight, overshadowed by more mainstream narratives. It is time to shine a light on these hidden treasures, to celebrate the unsung heroes and the untold stories that have shaped global culture in profound ways. Jamaica's Afro-cultural influence is not confined to its shores. It has transcended geographical boundaries, weaving its way into the global cultural tapestry. The pulsating rhythms of reggae, ska, and dancehall have become international sensations, spreading messages of peace, love, and social justice. Beyond music and dance, Jamaican art, from intuitive paintings to vibrant murals, has gained recognition for its unique style and powerful narratives. Moreover, the spiritual practices and beliefs rooted in African traditions, such as Rastafarianism, have resonated with individuals seeking deeper meaning and connection. While Jamaica's cultural exports have achieved global recognition, the attribution often falls short of acknowledging their true origins. The dominant narrative tends to focus on the commercialized, surface-level aspects of Jamaican culture, failing to delve into the historical context and the struggles that birthed these vibrant expressions. This forced migration brought together people from various African tribes, each with their own traditions and customs. This process of cultural synthesis and resilience is at the heart of Jamaica's Afro-cultural heritage, a story that deserves to be told and celebrated. Beyond the stereotypes, unveiling the multifaceted. Jamaica's image on the world stage, while vibrant, is often confined to a handful of stereotypes. Beyond the pulsating rhythms of reggae lies a treasure trove of musical genres, each reflecting a different facet of Jamaican life. Similarly, Jamaican cuisine, a tantalizing fusion of African, European, and indigenous influences, offers a sensory journey into the island's history. From the fiery kick of jerk chicken to the comforting warmth of ackee and saltfish, Jamaican food tells a story of adaptation, innovation, and cultural fusion. The unsung heroes, lost in the shadows. While iconic figures like Bob Marley and Usain Bolt have brought Jamaica international acclaim, countless other artists, musicians, writers, and community leaders remain unsung heroes. From master drummers preserving ancient rhythms to skilled craftspeople keeping traditional techniques alive, these unsung heroes deserve recognition for their dedication to preserving and celebrating Jamaica's Afro-cultural heritage. By shining a light on these unsung heroes, we gain a deeper appreciation for the collective effort that has shaped Jamaica's cultural identity. Reclaiming the narrative, a call for recognition. To fully appreciate the global impact of Jamaica's hidden Afro-cultural gems, we must move beyond superficial narratives and delve into the heart of their origins. This requires amplifying the voices of Jamaican artists, scholars, and community leaders who are actively engaged in preserving and promoting their cultural legacy. It's time to give credit where credit is due, to honor the legacy of resilience, creativity, and cultural richness that continues to inspire the world. Rhythms of resistance, the power of music. Music, the lifeblood of Jamaica, pulsates through the island's veins, carrying within its rhythms the stories of its people. From the soulful melodies of reggae to the infectious energy of ska and dancehall, Jamaican music has become a global phenomenon. Reggae, with its roots in the Rastafarian movement, carries messages of peace, love, and unity, advocating for social justice. Ska, with its upbeat tempo, emerged in the 1960s, reflecting the optimism and newfound independence of a nation emerging from colonial rule. Through these diverse genres, Jamaican music continues to be a powerful voice for the voiceless, amplifying the concerns of the marginalized and inspiring positive change. Moving to the beat dance as a cultural force. Dance in Jamaica is more than just a form of entertainment. It is a language, a way of life, and an integral part of the island's cultural identity. Rooted in African traditions, Jamaican dance forms have evolved over centuries, incorporating elements of European and indigenous influences. Kumina, one of the oldest dance forms, is a powerful spiritual practice, believed to connect dancers with their ancestors through spirit possession and ritualistic movements. Dancehall, with its high-energy moves and improvisational nature, has taken the world by storm, influencing everything from hip-hop to contemporary dance styles. From traditional ceremonies to modern-day street dances, dance in Jamaica is a powerful form of storytelling, a celebration of life, and a way to connect with one's heritage. Strokes of freedom, art as a mirror and a window. Jamaican art, in all its forms, serves as both a reflection of the island's soul and a window into its complex history and cultural identity. The legacy of slavery, the struggle for independence, and the ongoing fight for social justice are recurring themes in Jamaican art. From traditional crafts like wood carving and basket weaving to contemporary mixed media installations, Jamaican art continues to evolve, reflecting the changing realities of the island nation. Spirituality in Jamaica is a vibrant tapestry woven from African traditions, European influences, and indigenous beliefs. The arrival of enslaved Africans brought with them their spiritual practices, including ancestor veneration, herbalism, and a deep reverence for nature. Rastafarianism, emerging in the 1930s, is one of the most recognizable spiritual movements to originate in Jamaica. From the rhythmic drumming and spirit possession of Kumina ceremonies to the belief in duppies, spirits, and the power of Abaya, folk magic, Jamaican spirituality is a rich and complex tapestry. Jamaican cuisine is a tantalizing fusion of flavors, reflecting the island's rich history and cultural diversity. The foundation of Jamaican cuisine lies in African cooking techniques and ingredients, brought over by enslaved Africans. The arrival of the Spanish introduced new ingredients to the island, such as pigs, which led to the development of dishes like jerk pork. The British influence can be seen in dishes like pastries and breads, while Indian indentured laborers introduced curry powder and other spices. Jamaican cuisine is a celebration of flavor, a fusion of cultures, and a delicious reminder of the island's vibrant history. Jamaican Patois, a vibrant and expressive language, is more than just a dialect. It's a powerful symbol of cultural identity. Born out of the transatlantic slave trade, Jamaican Patois emerged as a way for enslaved Africans, speaking different languages, to communicate with each other and their enslavers. It's a Creole language, primarily based on English, but heavily influenced by West African languages, Spanish, and other languages. Patois is a source of pride for many Jamaicans, representing their history, identity, and resistance against colonial erasure. The legend of Bob Marley, a global icon. No exploration of Jamaica's Afro-cultural impact would be complete without acknowledging the colossal figure of Bob Marley. More than just a musician, Marley became a global symbol of peace, love, and resistance, his music transcending geographical boundaries and cultural differences to touch the hearts of millions worldwide. Born in the rural village of 9 Miles, Jamaica, Marley's journey to international stardom is a testament to his raw talent, unwavering determination, and the universal appeal of his message. From his early days singing on street corners in Trenchtown, one of Kingston's most impoverished neighborhoods, to sharing the stage with international superstars, Marley's music remained deeply rooted in his Jamaican heritage, carrying within its rhythms the struggles, aspirations, and indomitable spirit of his people. His lyrics, often infused with Rastafarian philosophy and social commentary, resonated with audiences across the globe, addressing themes of poverty, oppression, and the fight for social justice. Marley's music became an anthem for the marginalized, a call for unity, and a celebration of resilience in the face of adversity. One love, one heart, Marley's message of unity. At the heart of Bob Marley's music lay a profound message of unity, a call for people of all races, religions, and backgrounds to come together in the spirit of love and understanding. This message, encapsulated in his iconic anthem, One Love, became a rallying cry for peace and harmony, particularly in a world often divided by conflict and prejudice. Marley's own life reflected this commitment to unity. He famously brought together rival political factions in Jamaica during his One Love Peace concert in 1978, a testament to the power of music to transcend political differences and inspire hope in times of turmoil. His songs, often infused with spiritual themes drawn from Rastafarianism, spoke to a universal longing for peace, love, and connection, transcending cultural and religious boundaries. Marley's message of unity wasn't limited to lyrics. It was embodied in his music, a fusion of reggae, ska, and rocksteady, drawing inspiration from various musical traditions to create a sound that was both uniquely Jamaican and universally appealing. From Trenchtown to the world, the rise of reggae. Bob Marley's rise to international stardom popularized reggae, rooted in Jamaica's Afro-Cultural experience. Emerging in the late 60s, reggae evolved from ska and rocksteady. Reggae's origins trace back to Kingston's impoverished neighborhoods, with musicians like Toots and the Maytals, Jimmy Cliff and Bob Marley and the Wailers. Reggae's lyrics reflect life in these communities, addressing poverty and inequality. Marley's success in the 70s, with albums like Catch a Fire and Exodus, propelled reggae globally, introducing its infectious rhythms and powerful messages. Reggae became synonymous with Jamaica, carrying the island's pulse, struggles, and triumphs. Decades after his untimely death in 1981, Bob Marley's legacy continues to inspire. His music transcends generations and cultural boundaries. Marley's message of love, unity, and social justice resonates worldwide. His face adorns t-shirts, posters, murals, and street art. Bob Marley's enduring impact transcends borders, uniting people. Jamaica's small island nation has made an immeasurable impact on the world stage. From reggae music to captivating dance forms, evocative art to profound spirituality, Jamaica's cultural contributions resonate far beyond its shores. Like ripples in a pond, Jamaica's Afro-cultural expressions influence music, dance, fashion, and food. Bob Marley's legacy stands as a testament to the power of Jamaican music. But the story doesn't end with reggae and Bob Marley. Jamaica's cultural tapestry is rich and diverse. From dancehall to kumina, Jamaican dance forms continue to captivate and inspire. Our exploration of Jamaica's hidden Afro-cultural gems has been a journey of discovery and appreciation. We've delved beneath the surface, moving beyond the familiar images of sun-kissed beaches and reggae music to uncover the depth and complexity of Jamaica's cultural identity. We've learned that Jamaican culture is not a monolith, but rather a vibrant tapestry woven from the threads of history, resilience, and creativity. We've seen how the legacy of slavery, the struggle for independence, and the ongoing fight for social justice are deeply intertwined with Jamaica's cultural expressions. From the bold colors and spiritual themes of intuitive art to the tantalizing fusion of flavors in Jamaican cuisine, each element of Jamaica's cultural landscape tells a story, inviting us to delve deeper, to listen attentively, and to appreciate the richness and complexity of this island nation's heritage. As we conclude our exploration, it's crucial to remember that appreciating Jamaica's Afro-cultural contributions requires more than just passive consumption. It demands a conscious effort to move beyond superficial stereotypes and engage with the full spectrum of Jamaica's cultural expressions, acknowledging both the challenges and the triumphs that have shaped its identity. It means recognizing the contributions of unsung heroes, the community leaders, artists, musicians, and storytellers who keep traditions alive, passing down knowledge and inspiration to future generations. It means supporting initiatives that promote cultural preservation, education, and understanding, ensuring that Jamaica's rich heritage continues to thrive. Most importantly, it means approaching Jamaican culture with respect, sensitivity, and a willingness to learn. It means listening to the voices of Jamaican people, engaging in meaningful dialogue, and celebrating the island's cultural contributions not just during designated holidays or festivals, but in our everyday lives. What are your thoughts on Jamaica's incredible cultural impact? Share your insights in the comments below. Ready to delve deeper into the world of cultural contributions? Check out our next video for more fascinating insights.